Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Viva's Kitchen, where so heavily recipes are made. Thank you all for tuning in, and thank you so much for returning. I believe you are all doing great by the grace of God. Lovely people, on our menu today we have fried cabbage, and I'm happy to share with you my recipe. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, I have mushroom sausage, which you can use any sausage of your choice. I have my chili powder, ginger powder, Maggi tablet, garlic powder, and paprika powder. I also have chicken breast, my red and white onion, green and red bell peppers, and my cabbage, the main ingredient here. And also I have my turkey strips, which you can also use the bacon strips. I've got my oyster sauce, hot chili sauce, dark soy sauce, the hot one. I've got garlic, salt, chili all in one, and my Cajun seasoning. I've got other ingredients to show you, so go nowhere if you really want to see all of the ingredients I'm using for this delicious fried cabbage. So first, guys, I've washed all the vegetables and all the meat and all that. So I'm going to cut this part off, and it's so necessary because sometimes if it's not taken out, it can make your fried cabbage sour. Okay, so now it's time for us to cut it into any shape and size of our choice. Okay, so I'm cutting it into chunks. That's how I want it because in the end, the steam and everything will break it down, and I would like it that way. Okay, so this is how I'm going to cut it. I like it this way. So, lovely people, this is an amazing recipe of mine, and I'll be so happy if you could watch it till the end, be inspired, and try this amazing recipe. And I'll be so glad if you could just bring me the feedback. Okay, so now that the cabbage is all cut up, I'm going to just put it under the running water and wash it again nicely and beautifully. I'm going to also cut this turkey strips, guys, like this, and you can also use baking strips if that's what you prefer. Okay, but I chose to use turkey strips because it's amazing. I just love it. I love the taste of it. Okay, so you can even separate the strips here, or you can just leave it like that because as soon as it gets into the oil, it will just separate just like that in a snap. All right, so keep watching this video. Please, if you are enjoying it so far, give your girl a big thumbs up, and let's continue from there. Okay, so lovely people, we are still at the cutting and then the chopping of our vegetables and our chicken or meat or whatever that you are using for this amazing recipe. So at this stage, let's have fun in the kitchen whilst we prepare ourselves for the main job. That's the making of the amazing, delicious fried cabbage. Okay. So lovely people, I decided to cut my chicken sideways and a little bit in chunks. You can as well cut yours in cubes if you want. And now that it's all done, we're going to add Cajun chicken seasoning and then allow it to marinate. Okay. So now I'm going to rub it in. Make sure that every part of the chicken receives some of this Cajun chicken seasoning, and then leave it for some minutes for it to marinate. So now let's spray some white, red, and black pepper on it, and then use our hand to coat it again. Okay, let's rub it in nicely and beautifully. It's all done. So we're going to set it aside for later. Okay, so we're going ahead to also cut our sausage sideways. You can use any sausage of your choice. Okay, you can use the chicken sausage or any of your choice. But I love this one. It tastes and smells so good. It's the mixture of meat and pork. Yes, guys, I like this one. So far, it's my favorite. I will say that. I'm not really a fan of pork, but The fact that it's mixed with meat is fine with me. Okay, so now I'm going to also cut our mushroom into halves like this. Yes, guys, we are almost done with our preparation. Okay, so keep watching to the end so that you don't miss a step. This recipe is amazing and I'm so sure that you will love it. Okay, so keep watching, keep relaxing, and let me cook for you. All right, so guys, it's time for us to cut our vegetables, and first is our bell peppers. We are done removing the seed, so let's begin to chop our onion first. So far, if you're enjoying this video, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. And if you are new on my channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please do join our family by clicking on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to get more updates from us, and also join this beautiful family. And I promise you will never ever regret it. Okay? So we are almost done cutting our vegetables, and guys, very soon we will start frying our cabbage. This is a crowd and party pleasing recipe, so please go nowhere. All right, we are all done, and it's time for us to fry our cabbage. We are now going to get busy. First of all, let's put in our turkey strips. Wow, we've just started and the whole place is smelling amazing. At this point, you keep stirring to turn the turkey strips over and over. Make sure that it doesn't burn. Okay, you're trying to achieve a golden color for this. So the strips has effortlessly separated itself, and look at that, it's so amazing. We're going for this color, so very soon it's going to be out of the oil, and then we'll fry the chicken. Okay, this is looking so good, guys. I cannot just wait to finish the whole of the fried cabbage. This is also so crispy and I love it this way. So now it's going to be out of the oil. Oh my goodness, it smells and tastes so good. We're going to put in our chicken strips. We're going to let it fry till we get golden brown color for the chicken strips. Okay, so guys, keep stirring. Make sure the heat is not too high so that it doesn't burn. Okay. It smells so good. It's so good, guys, in my house right now. I smell aromatics and the house smells so good. It's also ready and it's out of the oil. I'm going to pour this oil away and change the oil, okay? So now I'm using a new oil to fry the sausage, and with this we want golden color as well. We are there already. It's so golden brown. So on the side of the sausage, we are frying our mushroom, guys. You want to be quick and leave the kitchen early, okay? So now the sausage is ready and it's out of the oil. You're going to let the mushroom fry a little bit, and then it will also be out of the oil. And then we begin our main job, okay? This is so amazing, guys. We are also done with our mushroom and it's out of the oil. Now let's get ourselves busy. This looks so good. Let's put that aside. Add our onions to the oil, both the red and then the white onions at the same time, and then keep stirring to avoid it being burned. So now let's add our bell peppers, the green and then the red. Keep stirring periodically to avoid it being burned and also to mix everything beautifully. So now I'm adding my mixed herbs. You can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? I'm going ahead to add my ginger powder, garlic powder, paprika powder, chili powder, black peppercorn, the powder of course, and Cajun chicken seasoning. Keep on stirring to combine everything nicely and beautifully. Lovely people, these are all natural seasonings And if you know my cooking very well, you know how much I love to use natural seasonings in my cooking because they are healthy and they are the best. I'm now adding my cabbage, and guys, this is almost to the end of the video, so keep watching and then be inspired to try this recipe. So we're going to add the rest of the natural seasonings to the cabbage top, yes, and then guys, you combine the whole thing beautifully and nicely. We are now going to add the rest of our natural aromatics to the top of the cabbage and then mix everything as usual to combine. I'm going ahead to add my shrimp tablet. Once that is done, I'll cover my cabbage with a lid. This will let the steam break down the cabbage faster, okay? So I use that lid because my wok unfortunately didn't come with a lid, okay? Let's keep on stirring to combine everything as usual. Keep on stirring, stirring, stirring. So if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. These things encourages your girl to bring you more amazing recipes. Now I'm adding my dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, okay? And then I'll go ahead and add um my chili, garlic, and salt all in one, okay? This is an amazing brand and I love it so much. Again, keep on stirring to combine everything beautifully. So now we are at my favorite part. Okay, this is the part I like so much. I've added my chicken, I'm adding my mushroom, my turkey strips, and then my sausage. Oh my goodness, family, finally we are all done with this amazing and scrumptious fried cabbage. And this recipe is so heavenly that when you try it, you're going to be doing this over and over again. So guys, just like that, when you just taste it, you will know that yes, of course, this is so heavenly. It will just melt down your throat like that. This is amazing. It's so mouth watering. Can you see it? It's so inviting. It's so crowd pleasing, party pleasing. And guys, it will make you stand out. As I always say, among your peers, your friends who don't know this recipe, you be the chef among them. Thank you all for watching, and I believe you are inspired to try this recipe. Until I see you all again in my next video, please stay safe, be blessed, and be good. Okay, food is ready, and I'm going to enjoy mine with yam and rice and maybe potatoes. Okay, so let me know what you're going to enjoy this with in the comment section below. Bye, take care, enjoy. Mwah.